Alright viewers, there are many ways to fix this issue. Where is my Valorant? Let me launch it first and let me show you. There are many ways to fix this issue, but the primary reason for the Vanguard 9005 error is a security system related problem. Alright, this error is related to the security system that Vanguard provides. Now Vanguard required TPM, Trusted Platform Module, and UEFI, Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, both of which are functions of the motherboard designed to maintain security, especially the TPM. Now you have two options: either enable TPM and UEFI in your motherboard settings, or disable these functions in Windows so that Vanguard can bypass them. For now, this solution is possible, but in the future, meeting Vanguard requirements might become a priority. This will means you would need to upgrade your PC if it does not have TPM and UEFI. So restart your PC, go into the BIOS settings and enable TPM and UEFI if you have them. Otherwise, follow these steps and your problem should be fixed 100%. As you can see, I just launched Valorant and I got Van 9005. This build of Vanguard is out of compliance with current system settings. See the Vanguard notification center in the tray for more detail. Just click on OK, otherwise it will automatically close in a few seconds. And now what you need to do here, you need to click on the Windows icon and type here CMD, run as administrator. Now make sure you have here the C Windows System 32, which means you are running CMD as an administrator. If you are getting here the user or something else, that means you are not using your CMD as an administrator. What you can do here, type here CMD, right click on it, open location, and again open location. Now here you can just right click on it, run as administrator. This time probably you will get here the System 32. Now you need to type here the command, which is bcdedit bcdedit space /set space hypervisor launch type off and hit enter. The operation complete successfully. Now simply type exit, hit enter. Now you can launch your Valorant without getting this error. As you can see right now, it's just look like this. But in case if it's still not working, you can just restart your PC. Your problem should be fixed. Let me launch it once again. Might be it's running. Let's see. All right, it's not running. Okay, this another method. Use the system information editor. As you can see here, the system information editor, in which you will see here the virtual based security, which is right now running. So we need to turn it off. I turn it off using command prompt, but it's not performing right now because I did not restart my PC. I need to restart my PC, and you cannot edit from here. For that, you need to use a system information editor, which is a tool that allow you to edit several things. You will find the link in the description. You will need to disable VBS, virtualization based security, by editing it using the system information editor. So I just restarted my PC. Now Valorant. Okay, all right, let's see now this time. Probably it's disabled. Let's see in system information, in which it's loaded. Now you can see virtualization based security not enabled, which means now we can play Valorant. By the way, it's just launched. Now let's see. Hopefully your problem should be fixed 100%. And if you have any question or any suggestion for me, just feel free, drop your comment. I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Till then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.